play secretary, I'm the boss tonight. And you don't give a fuck what they all say, right? Awesome, the Christian and Christian Dior. Damn, they don't make them like this anymore. I ask, cause I'm not sure. Do anybody make real shit anymore? Bad when the presence of greatness. Cause right now that has forsaken us. You should be honored by my lateness, that I would even show up to this fake shit. So go ahead, go nuts, go ape shit. Especially in my pastel on my babe shit. Act like you can't tell who made this new gospel. Homie, take 6 and take this. Haters. That don't kill me, can only make me stronger. I need you to hurry up now, cause I can't wait much longer.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Millie here, and I'm back again with another video, period. So basically, I will show you guys, I just went to go and get lemon and ginger. I want to start taking gut shots, not like gut shots, but like things that help cleanse your guts type of thing, like natural stuff. I wanted to be taking like the prebiotic shape or the antibiotic drugs or whatever they call it, vitamins, but I was like, nah, let me just make mine. Because it's probably more pricey to get all the stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go blend it, because apparently I went to take it on an empty stomach. So then I take it, make my breakfast, and then chill and watch the new episode of Invincible. All right guys, see you in the next part. Bye. Period.
That don't kill me, can only make me stronger. I need you to hurry up now, cause I can't wait much longer. I know I got to be right now, cause I can't get much stronger. Man, I've been waiting all night now. I need you right now. I don't know if you got a man or not, if you made plans or not, if God put me in your plans or not. I'm tripping, this drink got me saying a lot, but I know that God put you in front of me. So how the hell could you front on me? It's 1,000 yous, it's only one of me. I'm tripping, I'm caught up in the moment, right? Cause it's Louis Vuitton dine night, so we gon' do everything the kind like. Heard they do anything for a Klondike, well I'll do anything for a Blondike, and she'll do anything for the limelight, and we'll do anything when the time's right. Baby, you're making it. I need you right, haters. That don't kill me, can only make me stronger. I need you to hurry up now, cause I can't wait much longer. I know I got to be right now, cause I can't get much stronger. Man, I've been waiting all night now, that's how long I've been on ya.
Guys, I'm going to Tesco because I'm craving Tesco rice. I know that's like, how the hell are you craving Tesco rice? But when I went to Bristol, I bought this rice and I've absolutely loved it, and since then I've not had it since I came to this plymouth. So I'm like, you know what, I'm going to get some Tesco rice. Plus I need to step out of the house. It's like my legs are aching me, my hands are paining me, I need to walk, you get what I mean? So like, yeah, let's go buy Tesco rice.
Yeah, body pink color, I see you. I see you.
Went to Tesco and they didn't have the rice, so I ended up going to Aldi and I got freaking chips and sweet corn. Probably going to make chips and plantain with sweet corn, or then add some rice. I don't know, but I don't even know what I'm craving, but I was actually craving that Tesco rice. But yeah, I absolutely love bell peppers, like eating it raw or in my food or whatever, but I actually eat it raw. Like, it has this like, I don't know, it just tastes very nice. So yeah, that's basically what I'm eating. I'm going to watch Castlevania, the one that just came out anyways. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next part of this vlog. Bye. Bye. In your direction, choices by testing.
just selective. Yeah, that ass too swollen, I'm tryna grab that. If you get too close.
Hey guys, so I basically came back from church and me and one of my friends, we just went for like a little shopping or whatever. But right now I'm just gonna get breakfast and then work on, because I haven't like completely uploaded a YouTube video for today. And also I'm also going to make okra and stew. I bought meat, thank God, because I haven't like actually bought meat since I came here. Like literally since Nigeria was the last time I actually would say I ate meat, can't lie. So yeah, I'm really excited for that. Yeah, and then I'll just basically get ready for the events happening this night. All right, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next part of this. I don't need to be saying that I'll see you guys in the next part of the video. You will see in the next part of the video that you will see me. Show gets period.
All you need to know is you're outside. Bring it back for me one time. I never get enough, never get enough. 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 Just be in love with it.
That was fun. I want to win a prize. Don't worry, your face is not showing. And we are going to another ride. I don't know if you guys can hear me, Shabo. I'm big. What
No, it was related. No, well, what do you do in the ship?
waitress, like waitress, yeah.
I can't do waitress anymore. I'm just saying, it comes to a point that
It's not really bad.
I can't do that's
No, but that's like the best job, you know. Yeah, and it's not like.
Hi, Obi. Hello, Obi YouTube channel. Channel.